Close your eyes for a second and imagine this. Flying 90 miles per hour, inches above a forest canopy, weaving through gaps that don't look possible. Now, imagine capturing that entire, impossible moment in flawless, stable 8K 360-degree footage that lets you relive the flight in virtual reality. This is not science fiction. This is the DJI Avata 3. Or, perhaps, the even more revolutionary Avata 360. DJI has been silent, but the leaks are screaming. We are witnessing the fusion of high-speed FPV adrenaline and professional cinematic quality in one compact drone. This isn't just an upgrade, it's the end of traditional FPV drones as you know them. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you own an Avata 2, or if you've been waiting for the ultimate cinematic FPV rig, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this 30-minute deep dive. We are dissecting the 1-inch sensor rumors, the all-directional safety features, and the true potential of the FPV experience that is coming to conquer the skies. The camera revolution, 1-inch and 8K 360. Let's start with the feature that justifies the hype, the camera system. The Avata 2 was good, but the Avata 3 is rumored to go pro-grade. The most consistent leak points to a massive leap, a 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is huge. A 1-inch sensor, previously reserved for larger, slower cinema drones, means dramatically improved low-light performance, less noise, and dynamic range that finally captures shadows and highlights simultaneously. This is the difference between good footage and cinematic art. But the most revolutionary leak centers on the potential Avata 360 model, which is rumored to house dual 1.1-inch sensors for true, native 360-degree capture, potentially at stunning 8K resolution. This changes everything. It means you can capture the entire scene, forward, backward, up, and down, and reframe the shot in post-production. It gives you the high-speed FPV feel without having to nail the perfect line every time. This is a game-changer for content creators who need professional-grade, reframable action footage. Performance, power, and the flight time fix. FPV is nothing without flight performance. The Avata 3 is not just improving, it's transforming into a true speed demon. Leaks indicate a redesigned aerodynamic body and more efficient motors, potentially switching to a 4-blade propeller setup for increased thrust and stability. This translates to an expected top speed of up to 140 km per hour, that's over 87 miles per hour, making this the fastest consumer FPV drone yet. And finally, the battery problem. The Achilles heel of small FPV drones has always been flight time. Thanks to the rumored motor and battery repositioning, we are expecting a significant increase to 30+ minutes of flight time on a single battery. Think about what that unlocks. Longer cinematic sequences, more complex lines, and less time swapping batteries on the fly. This massive efficiency boost is what turns an enjoyable hobby drone into a serious, professional tool. The safety net, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. DJI's biggest advantage is safety, and the Avata 3 is rumored to close the gap between traditional FPV and their flagship Mavic line. The Avata 2 offered basic forward/downward sensing. Avata 3. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance is the key. Utilizing